everybody, welcome to Detoxify for Health. Tony with you again. So today I'm working on the trim, taut and tasty herbal spice mix. This one is anti-inflammatory and high in antioxidants. It's good for balancing the blood sugar, for balancing cholesterol and weight, also great for the digestion and cardiovascular health. So we've got some black pepper in this one, and we've got fenugreek, some garden cress, there's my garden cress, and some mustard seeds, some onion. I've got onion powder, but I'm also going to cook up some fresh onion and some rosemary. So I'm about to test this one out with some vegetables. I'll let you know how I go. And I'm mixing these pretty much one part of each, but as usual the pepper is about a quarter of the amount of all of the other herbs and spices. So if you'd like to try that out, let me know how you go, and I'll let you know how I go. Alright, have a beautiful day. Till next time, my friends, be well and keep dreaming the good dream. Ciao for now.